Hello. In this video, you're going to see how to install table themes for PPPoker. Step 1. Download the zip file with the theme to your computer. You can download it after your purchase is complete, and you are redirected back to the download page. You can also find the download link in your purchase receipt email. I already have the zip file with the theme here on my desktop. Step 2. Extract the theme files from the zip file. You can do it by opening it, and then just dragging the files out, or right-click on the zip file, and choose Extract. Step 3. Run the first theme installer. If your PPPoker client is installed into the default location, then you don't need to change anything. But if you have installed it somewhere else, then choose the correct location, using the Browse button. After running the first installer, now also run the second installer. Here you don't have to change anything, even if you have your PPPoker client installed into a custom location. Congratulations! You can now start to use your new theme. These instructions are also included in the README file. Good luck at the tables.